Hello my Whoop friends. Let's take a look at the HexaCharger Pro from BetaFPV. A 6-channel smart charger for 1S LiPos with BT 2.0 or PH 2.0 plugs. The charger features 87 watts of output power, a storage function, and it has 6 channels which are not independent. Let's take a look. The power input of the HexaCharger Pro is an USB-C connector. USB-C only. There is no other power input for the HexaCharger Pro. There is a mute function for the beeper on the HexaCharger Pro. Long press the right button and the beeper will turn off. Long press again and the beeper will turn on. Beeper is off. Beeper is on. You can change between the different charge modes with a short press of the left button. You can set the charge current with a short press of the right button. Long press the left button to start the charging process. After that, you can plug in your LiPo into every port and the charging process will start immediately. Long press the left button again to stop the charging. As you can see, the BetaFPV HexaCharger Pro supports hot swapping batteries but does not support independent parameter settings for individual channels. I think the HexaCharger Pro from BetaFPV is probably a solid 1S charger, especially if you are okay with an USB-C only input as well as with not independent channels. Happy flying, my Whoop friends! Some additional information can be found in the video description. Please watch my many other tutorials on this YouTube channel if you want to know more about how to modify a Tiny Whoop or how to learn FPV flying and racing.